If you work in Microsoft Word, learning how to create and modify numbered lists can save you a lot of time and make your documents look much more professional. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to start a numbered list, convert existing text into a list, and adjust list levels when you need subpoints or multiple sections. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy word tips. Let's jump right in. The quickest method is to simply type one period after the number. So, type 1, then a period, and then press the spacebar or the tab key. Word will automatically recognize that you're starting a numbered list and format it for you. This is a great shortcut when you want to move fast and keep typing without stopping to click through menus. If you prefer using the ribbon, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. In the paragraph group, you'll see the numbering icon. Click that button and Word will apply a numbered list style to your cursor position. This is useful if you want more control or if the automatic method doesn't trigger exactly how you want it to. Now, if you already have text typed out and want to turn it into a numbered list, just highlight the text first. Once it's selected, click the numbering button in the Home tab. Word will instantly convert each line into a numbered item. This is especially helpful when you paste in notes, steps, or outlines and want them organized in a cleaner format. You can also create multi-level numbered lists when you need subpoints. After starting your list, press Tab to indent the current item and move it to a lower level. Word will usually change the number style automatically so the sub-level looks different from the main list. If you need to move back to the previous level, press Shift and Tab together. This makes it easy to build outlines, instructions, and structured documents without manually adjusting each line. If you want to modify your list after it's created, you can continue typing and Word will keep the numbering going for you. If the numbering ever gets interrupted, you can usually click the numbering button again or right-click the list for additional options. This is helpful when you need to restart numbering, continue a list from another section, or adjust formatting to match the rest of your document. One more useful tip is that numbered lists are not just for steps. You can use them for meeting notes, project plans, assignment outlines, and any document where order matters. Keeping your formatting consistent makes your work easier to read and much more polished. So to recap, you can create numbered lists in Microsoft Word by typing 1 and a period, using the numbering button on the Home tab, converting existing text with one click, and using Tab or Shift and Tab to create multi-level lists. These simple tools can make a big difference in how clean and organized your documents look. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Word tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.